morning, students. Today I am going to teach you L3. It's very easiest language compared to your L2 language because the L2 you are learning very much of literature, but today I am going to teach you fundamental, simple and basic things. It will be easy to learn. So every language, the two things are there. One is consonants, another one is vowels. So the same thing in a Hindi, we are going to see vowels we can call in Swa and consonants we can call Vyanjan. Now I am going to repeat again the pronunciation of vowels in Hindi. Like English, A, E, I, O, U, Hindi also have some vowels. Well, the vowels are A. You can pronounce that vowel like one. In V, there is a sound A. So one, the sound is V, N. There is a sound is A. A word from A is anar. Anar. Pomegranate, anar. You can pronounce A like water. There is a sound of A. A word from A is admi, male. Admi, which we call in English male. E. You can pronounce E like tin. In English. T, na. In T, there is a sound of E. In Hindi, a word from E is imli. Tamarind. E. You can pronounce E. That sound in C. When you say C, there is a long sound of E. A word from E is eat. Eat in English is break. Mainly the difference between E and E is the frequency of the word. Like little bit smaller, but E that has a high pronunciation like tin and C. Re. You can pronounce re like rhythm. In rhythm, there is re, it is starting. A word from re is rishi. Rishi means sand. Rishi means sand. Re. Oo. You can pronounce oo like book. When you are pronouncing book, there is a sound of oo. Book. There is a sound of oo. A word from oo is ullu. In English, ullu means owl. Oo. You can pronounce that character from tool. When you pronounce tool, there is a sound of oon. A word from oo is oon. Oon. In English, wool. wool, oon. Book for oo, tool for oo. Again, like E and E, same. Here is the difference frequency of the characters oo and oo. Book, tool, A. A. You can pronounce A like may. When you pronounce may, there is a sound of A. A word from A is ache. Ache. One. A. A. You can pronounce A like hat. Hat. Word from A is anak. Anak. In English, specs. Again, may and hat. The both her sound are A and I. O. 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 You can pronounce O like whole. Whole. Whenever you pronounce whole, there is a sound of O. A word from O is Oakley. Oakley. Oakley in English is motor. Motor. O. O. To pronounce O, you can say the word saw. 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 In that word, there is a sound of O. Again, O, O and O. The both have similar sound but different frequency. A word from O is aurat. Aurat means female, lady. Ang. Ang. This word is little bit tough like ang. Ang. You can pronounce that word like angur. 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 Angur are grapes. Angur. Ang. Angur. The last vowel is ahang. Aha. Aha. That word is not that much of frequently in use, but you can basically find that vowel in Sanskrit pronunciation. When we say namaste, namaste, then the word namaha, namaste, then the word namaste, it contains the vowels aha, namaha, aha, namaha. In the last character, there is the sound of nama. These are the words are basic sound which will help you to pronounce Hindi words more clearly. Come children, now it's time to see similarity and dissimilarity pronunciation in North Indians and South Indian. North Indian. Hindi the same similar in Tamil. Hindi big the same big in Tamil. Hindi small e, the same small e there in Tamil. Hindi big e, the same small e there in Tamil. Hindi small o, the same small o there in Tamil. Hindi big o, the same o there in Tamil. Re. This letter is not there in Tamil. The six letters we can see in South Indian people. Here also the same pronunciation. Small a, they are telling small a. Big a, they are pronouncing big a. Small e, they are pronouncing small e. Big e, they are pronouncing big e. Small u, they are pronouncing small u. Big u, they are pronouncing big u. Re, that's not there in Tamil. So now we have to see here North Indian people how they are pronouncing rest of the six letters. A, the same there in Tamil A. The another A that's there in Tamil A. O, that's there in Tamil O. Next big O, that's there in Tamil O. Aha, these two letters are not there in Tamil. Here we can see the next six letters in South Indian people. The people are pronouncing here A. A, the big A, they are pronouncing here I. But one thing you have to remember, I sound is not there in Hindi. We should not pronounce this letter like a I. We should not pronounce. This real pronunciation is here only A. O. The same there in the Tamil O. But O, they are pronouncing here Ow. Ow also is not there in Hindi. This is also the wrong pronunciation. This letter, the real original pronunciation is O. It's not Ow. One thing you have to be remember, I and Ow, these two sounds are not there in Hindi language. Come children, it's time to see Barakhadi. Now I am going to show the similarity between Hindi and Tamil matras. Hindi, Ka plus a, K. Ik plus a, K. Hindi, Ka plus a, K. Tamil, Ik plus a, K. Hindi, Ka plus E, Ki. Tamil, Ik plus E, Ki. Hindi, Ka plus E, Ki. Tamil, Ik plus E, Ki. Hindi, Ka plus U, Ku. Tamil, Ik plus U, Ku. Hindi, Ka plus U, Ku. Tamil, Ik plus U, Ku. Hindi, Ka plus Ri, Kr. It's not there in Tamil. Hindi, Ka plus A, K. Tamil, Ik plus A, K. Hindi, Ka plus A, K. Tamil, Ik plus A, K. Hindi, Ka plus O, Ko. Tamil, Ik plus O, Ko. Hindi, Ka plus O, Ko. Tamil, Ik plus O, Ko. Hindi, Ka plus Kam. It's not there in Tamil. Ka plus Aha, Kaha. This is also not there in Tamil. Okay, so let's begin now the letters identification, how to write the letters as well as what is the actual sound we are going to see now. So now I'm going to show you here the swear, how to write and what is the real pronunciation is here. With the letter I'm going to show you in Tamil letters and together in Hindi letters also. So let's begin here the first Hindi A. The sound is here given in English letters A, and as well as here the Tamil letter also is there A. So we have to see the big A. The same in Tamil also. Now you can see here small e. E. In a Tamil also E. Now you can see here.
Big E. In Tamil also E.
Now you can see here U.
Tamil also U. Now you can see here U. Tamil also U. Now you can see here A. Tamil also A. Now you can see here A. Tamil also A. Now you can see here O. Tamil also O. Now you can see here O. Tamil also O. Now you can see here Now you can see here aha.
We have completed now the swar, vowels. Can we go and see Vyanjan? So let's see here the consonants, the Hindi. Now we are going to see. First letter K. The similar in Tamil also there is the K. This is same K. You can add a H. It pronounced here K. How to say this? K. Next. G. Before we have seen the K also, this is the K in Tamil, and here the G also, the same letter is there in a Tamil. How the difference we have to be analyzed, we have to see here. The first K, you have to hear the name Karthik, and this is the word is for Gayatri. Both the words we are using the same Tamil letter K here also, K there also. But why we are not pronouncing this? This one is Garthik and this one is Gayatri. So both the place you are using the same letter. Instead of G also K and K also K only you are using. But in a Hindi, two sounds are different letters are there. But K also they have added K and G also we are adding now the K. So all the four places the Tamil single K is there, but in a Hindi different letters are there. The first letter K, K. Next, second letter K. Third letter G. Fourth letter G. K, K, G, G. Now it comes here in the first line, the last letter N. So let's we are going to see here the second line in Vyanjan. It's begin here Ch. The Tamil letter as here the Ch is there.
Second Ch. Ch. Now we are going to see second line, third letter J. It's simple sound. Now we are going to see Jh. The simple sound with H. Jh. This is the last letter for second line Nya. Now we are going to see third line, first letter T. This one Th. Now we are going to see D. This one simple sound. Now we are going to see Dh. D simple sound, but this one Dh. N. Now we are going to see Th. This Th is like a easy sound. Now we are going to see Th. It's little difficult sound. Now we are going to see the. This one the. This little difficult sound. This one, this line, last letter N. Now we are going to see P. This one F. This one B. Now we are going to see Bh. It's little difficult sound. Bh. In this line, the last letter Ma. Ma. The next line, the begin letter Ya is similar like a Tamil Ya. Now we are going to see Ra. It's Tamil alignment Yara Lava. Now we are going to see La. It's easiest to sound La. In this last letter for this line, V. This one Sh. Little difficult sound. In Hindi, two types of Sh is there. This one another type of Sh. This one very easy sound S. This is the only one easy sound. The next is H. This one typical Hindi letter. Hindi sound H. Iksha. Here in the letter, two letters are hidden. K plus sh is there. Iksha. This one, Tra. Here also hidden two letters are there. T plus Ra. Tra. This one, Gya. Very difficult. Here also two letters are hidden. G plus Nya.
I hope you like my class. You please repeat again and again, and you repeatedly you can see my video. It will be easy to understand everything. Thank you, children.